Hey guys, how we doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. I'm just gonna go over the indicators for Bitcoin and Ethereum, but I'll tell you guys, I basically tell you now, there's not really anything to report. I mean, you can pretty much see that this has been the price action for today. We've not really done a lot at all, so it's not really a lot for me to report, really. Not a lot has changed, but yeah, so 15-minute DMT, you can see that sell line is pushing up, so it's currently sat well, not far under 7,600, so not very far away from the current price, so that could well trigger well, on a move down under 7,600 clearly. So yeah, 25-minute Dominator. I mean, this here showing you how there's no real trend really. There's nothing going on. You can just see by the price action there's nothing. A few wicks to try and get people to think we're breaking out, but obviously no actual breakout. But one of these wicks is gonna result in a breakout eventually, and we are gonna get a move, probably at least similar to this, but in all fairness, maybe more as we trigger more and more higher level time frames into action. So there you go. Ethereum 15-minute DMT, this actually hasn't moved where it was yesterday. I mean, yeah, you can see obviously straight line's not moved. So Ethereum 15-minute DMT, it's not done anything. We're currently sat here exactly in the middle of the range between the 190 and the basically 200 top here. So it's coiling up. We're coiling up for a move. I know I've been saying this for like the past few days, probably even late last week I was saying it, maybe before the weekend, yeah. But something's gonna happen soon. I do think we are waiting on stock markets to make some sort of a decision on what they want to do, because we have been very closely following the direction of stock markets recently. But yeah, 25-minute Dominator as well. I mean, it's not doing a lot basically. These are the times when you're trading that you just sit on your hands and wait. There'll be plenty of opportunities to come once volatility does break out and start to expand, and then we get a period of time of increasing volatility over the days ahead after that breaks out. So there's plenty of time to make plenty of money. Playing around in the market now is just not the best idea, just because, like I said, the moves are tiny. We're on the precipice of potentially a big move, so just wait to see what happens, guys. That's all I can say, really. So yeah, there you go. So thanks for listening to that, guys. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. And yeah, I'll speak to you guys soon.